Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Leveling up in Stardew Valley can feel slow if you don't know what you're doing, but I'm gonna show you exactly how to speed that process up. Step 1. Focus on a single skill first. Instead of spreading yourself thin across farming, fishing, and mining all at once, pick one skill and dedicate your energy to it. This way you'll rack up experience much faster and unlock better tools and recipes sooner. Step 2. Invest in quality sprinklers early on. Quality sprinklers let you water multiple crops at once, which means you spend less time on farming and more time on other activities that give experience. This frees up your energy for mining or fishing. Step 3. Head to the mines before anything else. Mining is one of the fastest ways to gain experience because you can use bombs and go really deep. Aim for at least 50 levels down in the first week. Step 4. Fish during rain and at specific locations. When it rains, crops don't need watering, so you have tons of free time. Go to the beach or river and fish for valuable catches. Fishing XP stacks up quick with the right approach. Step 5. Use food strategically to maintain energy. Bring cheese, spaghetti, or other cheap foods to restore stamina so you can keep grinding without running out of energy. This lets you maximize your time in profitable activities without heading back home.